So the most recent publication was this collaboration with Joe Martin, who's a Nuu-chah-nulth master canoe maker. I met Joe through my connection with Eugene Arima. Eugene Arima had worked with Joe, knew Joe as a canoe maker, and we Eugene and I were putting together a book called Northwest Coast Canoes of Indigenous North America, and in this the book with Joe was kind of a spin-off, because he mentioned to me, I think it was he mentioned to me that Joe was looking for somebody to help him write a book about his canoe making. There are two voices in the book, Joe's voice and then my voice. And I'm sort of the quote academic who's backing up what Joe was telling us about the whole canoe making process. But like the cover image, that's from back in the day, back in the day of the Mears Island protest. And then a lot of the other, and then there's of course historical archival images, as well as contemporary image that I was able to take as well. So Joe's a great guy. I mean, he really is a sweet guy, and it just sort of fell into it. It just fell at our feet in a sense, because Joe had done interviews with other people, and so I was able to basically pirate the interviews that Joe had made with a number of other people and intersperse that with some of the interviews that I did with Joe. So you had that kind of sort of multifaceted, in a sense, sources, which put together, which we were able to slide together and create the book. And I did it with the museum. And so it was really great to have the support of an institution behind, the production of the book. This was strictly this is something that, I did on my own, really, and it was done with my co-author Eugene Arima, and Eugene was kind of the guy that introduced me to that whole world of canoes, Northwest Coast canoes, the variety, the history, etc. And so it was a big project, and involves photographs that I took, photographs that he took, lots of archival material, and some of we also got contributions from Joe Martin.